Meaning of fermata.
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 Fermata. A fermata is a musical symbol that indicates the musician should hold the note or rest longer than its written value. It's represented by a curved line above or below the note or rest, and the length of the hold is at the discretion of the performer or conductor. The fermata can create a sense of suspension, tension, or anticipation, and it can also be used for dramatic effect. In addition, fermatas are commonly used in choral works, where they signify a brief pause before resuming singing. Overall, fermatas add depth and expression to musical performances.